Welcome back, guys, to the Supercar Diaries. I know you're waiting all for this beast, but today we show you this one. Let's go. Okay, so welcome back. Today we are in an Italian V12, and it's not the V12 what I showed you before, the Revuelto, but I promise you, you will see it in the next video for 100%. I know you've all been waiting for this, but this one is, in my opinion, the better car, so I like to prefer to drive with this one. And now you know why. Because this sound is unbelievable. You can compare those downshifts with any other car, and it's quick. One more time, please. So this car is called 12Cilindri because it has a gorgeous 6.5 liter V12 in front. If you compare to the stock car, you can't hear the V12. It makes no sense if you call the car like the engine, but you can't hear the engine, so that's why we are here. So you have two setups. You have an exhaust system with sport catalyst, X-pipe, and also race exhaust system with flaps, what is installed on this car. With that one you have a little more grumbling, deeper sound. And then we have the sport exhaust system with flaps, where you have that high pitching sound, what we show you in the next video with the 12Cilindri. So you can compare them. We have many customers who hear the car already and was saying, okay, I like this more, the other one likes the high pitching more, so that's your choice. You can choose whatever you like. I personally, I'm a bigger fan of the high pitching exhaust, so the sport exhaust with flaps. I don't know why I'm saying this all the time, but if we are driving a Ferrari V12, I can downshift the whole day. And that's a fact, because it sounds so good. And this car is so much faster, or it feels so much faster. What's better than woods and a V12 with that exhaust system? Nothing. But I think I would prefer to stand outside in the woods and hear this from outside, because it has to be insanely loud. So this car rides lower, approximately about 2.5 centimeters with our sport springs. And it's not only lower, you also have a more stiffer feeling when you're driving. What do you see now? If you could do this. Also, we installed the NF11s in silver, because we have a silver car with blue interior, what is not typical for a Novitec car, I think. but sometimes we need to do a little bit different stuff. I couldn't do that with the A12, sorry. You can drive the curves so much faster. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. So I think as always we show you some flybys that you can enjoy the beautiful sound from outside. So what you are really feeling is the steering on the rear axle. I think I never drove a car where I feel it more than on this one. Or maybe the active flaps are helping too. I'm not sure about that, but they look a little bit weird. This car. Okay guys, we talked about the NF11 already. But did you also check the rear tire? Those downshifts. That's brilliant. So at the beginning, when I saw the 12Cilindri, I was like, it looks a little bit awful if you ask me. But now, with the suspension, the wheels and the exhaust tips, if you see it day over day, for me right now, it's one of the beautiful front engine V12 what you can buy right now, for 100%. It looks so classy, but on the other way so sporty. The Italian in design, that's 10 out of 10. I don't know how they do it, but they do it. Beautiful. Okay, we have a tunnel. Let's see. So if you like that video, please feel free to subscribe, hit the like button and let us know in the comments what you think about this car. And I know you want to see Revuelto, so next time. And because so many of you asking about the Pur-Sangue, we will show you now the difference between the stock Pur-Sangue and the Esteso version. So